Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to use IXL diagnostic data and analytics to help create small groups. When you have IXL, every student will take a diagnostic in the beginning, middle, and end of the year. This serves as a benchmark and allows you to see what level your students are performing at. This way you can see what students need a little more help and also what students can be challenged. So in order to do so, after your students have taken the IXL diagnostic, you will scroll to the Analytics tab where you are met with many different headings. I'm going to look at the Diagnostic Overview. When I come to that page, I will be able to see both Math and Language Arts Diagnostic and all of my students with their overall levels. The overall level is on a scale of 1 to 1300. Now, each 100 is a grade level. So, for example, if your students are in fourth grade, on grade level students would be scoring between 400 and 500 in the diagnostic. If they're above 500, then they are above grade level. If they are below 400, then they may be below grade level for math or a specific skill. So when you scroll down, you will see all of the students with a bar next to them. This tells you their overall level. You can choose to view their diagnostic in more detail on a separate tab, or you can stay on this page and toggle around. So at first glance, I can see that this student has only a math level of 160, meaning middle of first grade. So this student is likely to need some intensive support. Whereas a student who is performing at 490 is almost at a fifth grade level, and we're only in January, so they may be ready for some challenge. You can look even deeper at these levels. So I'm going to use language arts now. The language arts diagnostic covers reading strategies, vocabulary, writing strategies, and grammar and mechanics. So same as math, I can view the first screen to see their overall levels, or I can choose to look at groups of students. Now, in order to see groups of students, you are going to use one of the other four items that the diagnostic tests. So if I want to look at reading strategies, I can click on that tab. And IXL will group my students for me. This is all based on the diagnostic data, so you don't have to do any guessing as to what students should be grouped where. Obviously, use your professional judgment, but this is a great starting point. So IXL has grouped my students into 5 different groups for their reading strategies. If I scroll down, it will start with group 1, which is my lowest group of students. So their names will be listed above, and then IXL will give me recommended skills for small group instruction. Now I can choose to recommend these skills to my students on IXL, or if I have resources, I can take these skills and teach it in a small group without IXL. Then after I teach the small group, students can practice using IXL if they choose. As I scroll down, I will see that the higher numbered groups are my stronger students in reading. So those skills will be a little bit more challenging. Rather than phonics, which was in my first group, my group that is on grade level or above, they are recommended to be practicing with main idea, drawing inferences, and comparing and contrasting. IXL makes small group instruction very easy and groups of students and gives you ideas of what to teach with them. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that this helps you use IXL to create small groups and centers.